I'm going to show you how you can save an attachment to OneDrive that you receive in Microsoft Outlook. Here, I have already opened an email with an attachment, so I can quickly show you the options available for handling attachments in Outlook. We often receive many emails with attachments, and sometimes it can be confusing to decide what to do with them. In this video, I will show you how you can save those attachments to your personal computer and also how to save them to OneDrive. It's quite easy to do. Since you can already see that I have received an email with an attachment, let me show you what to do next. Click on the arrow next to the attachment, which is called More Actions. When you click on it, you will see several options. You have the option to preview it, save it to OneDrive, copy it, or download it. Let me preview it first. When you click on Preview, a new window will open. Here, you can see the preview of the attachment. You also have options to download or print the file from here. In addition, you can zoom in, zoom out, and use options like Rotate. You can also adjust the view to 100%, Fit to Page, or Fit to Width. Once you are done previewing, you can close this window. Next, let's look at the options Save to OneDrive. I am already logged in with my account in Outlook. When I click Save to OneDrive, the document is automatically saved to my account. If you want to save your attachment to a specific OneDrive account, make sure you are logged in with the correct account. Now I will click Save to OneDrive. You can see that it is saved automatically, and a message appears saying that the attachment has been saved to OneDrive. This means your file is now securely stored. After saving, you will notice that the option changes from Save to OneDrive to View in OneDrive. If you want to open or view the file in OneDrive, you can click on that option. Next, let's look at the download option. When you click Download, the attachment is automatically saved to your personal computer. As you can see, the file is now saved on my computer. So these are the options you have for managing attachments in Microsoft Outlook. You can preview them, download them, or save them directly to OneDrive.